How to stop your Android phone from tracking and listening to you. By now, you may have noticed that your Android smartphone is constantly tracking your online activities and listening to your conversations. It monitors the apps you use, including your searches, messages, and browsing history. Many users have reported cases where their Android phones display ads related to something they just talked about, proving these tracking features are real. Many of these tracking features are enabled by default on every Android device. Not only do they invade your privacy, but they also drain your battery by constantly running in the background, slowing down your phone's performance. In today's video, I'll show you how to disable these hidden Android settings, make your phone run faster, last longer, and stop unnecessary data collection. Hello, and welcome to the 3 Minutes Fix channel. If this is your first time watching our videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to stay updated. Now, let's see how to deactivate these settings and take back your privacy. This feature allows various apps to track your online behavior and collect data about your phone usage. It's mainly used to improve recommendations, but it also means that third-party apps can monitor what you do, reducing privacy and draining your battery. To turn this off, follow these steps. Open your phone settings and scroll down to Google. Tap on it, then select All Services. Scroll down to the Privacy and Security section and tap Personalize using shared data. Here, you'll see a list of apps with permission to track your phone activities. Turn off every app on this list to prevent tracking. Simply toggle them off to turn off the feature. By disabling this setting, you'll stop apps from collecting and using your personal data, which can improve your phone's battery life and performance. Google uses this feature to collect information about how you use your phone, including which apps you open, how long you use them, and how your device performs. While this data helps improve services, it also means your phone is constantly sending information in the background, consuming processing power and battery. To disable this setting, go back to the Privacy and Security section. Tap Usage and Diagnostics. Then toggle the switch off to prevent your phone from sending data to Google. This will stop unnecessary data collection, allowing your phone to run more efficiently while preserving battery life. Even if you disable location tracking on your Android device, Google can still collect your data through web and app activity. This setting logs your searches, app usage, and even location markers. To fully stop Google from tracking your movements, follow these steps. Open Settings on your Android device. Scroll down and tap Google. Next, select Manage your Google account. Then navigate to the Data and Privacy tab. Under History Settings, tap Web and App Activity and turn it off. Then scroll down to Auto Delete and select Delete Activity older than 3 months for better privacy. By turning off web and app activity, you prevent Google from saving your searches, app interactions, and other online activity linked to your account. Before we continue, if you're finding this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more tech tips. Now, let's continue. Google Assistant can record your voice commands and store them on Google servers for analysis. If you want to stop Google from keeping these recordings, you need to disable voice history. To do this, open Settings on your Android phone. Tap Google, then select Manage your Google account. Then go to Data and Privacy and scroll to History Settings. Tap Audio and Voice Activity and toggle it off. To delete previously stored recordings, tap Manage Activity, then Delete Activity By, and choose All Time. Disabling this setting prevents Google from saving your voice interactions, reducing the amount of personal data stored on its servers. Ad tracking is one of the biggest privacy concerns for smartphone users. This feature collects data on everything you type, search for, and even listens to your conversations through your microphone to serve you targeted ads. If you've ever talked about something and later saw ads for it, this is why. To turn off this tracking, return to Google Settings and tap All Services. Scroll to the Privacy and Security section and select Ads. Tap Reset Advertising ID to delete the data already collected about you. Confirm by pressing Delete Advertising ID. Once disabled, your phone will no longer track your activity for targeted ads. This will not only enhance your privacy but also free up system resources, improving battery life and overall phone performance. With these settings deactivated, your phone will run faster, use less battery, and, most importantly, stop tracking your activities. To explore more mobile phone usage video tutorials, click this card. Check the description below and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. If you have a question or need more help, leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist. Thank you for tuning in.